Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, my friends. How are you today? Welcome to English for Fun, and my name is Teacher Alice. And what is your name? Pardon? What is your name? Oh, I'm glad to meet you. Welcome. And how are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? Are you sleepy? As for me, I'm so happy to be with you today. First of all, let's make sure that your hearing ears are on. Mine on, and yours? Are your ears on? Good. And now make sure that you're looking eyes on. Are your eyes on? Can you see me well? Excellent. So let's start. And today we will start with days of the week. Can you tell me what days is it today? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday it was Monday. Bye-bye Monday. And today is Tuesday. Let's say it all together. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Let's move on. Do you remember our Day of the Week song? Let's sing it together. If you don't want to sing, don't worry. You just can clap your hands. Okay? Steady, ready, go! There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well done! Good job! Do you want to sing it again? Yeah, come on, let's sing it again. 3, 2, 1, go! There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. There's a week. Days of the 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 week. Yeah, well done. Congratulations. Good job. And now let's move on. And today we're going to learn a new number. And the number of the week is number 2. Repeat after me. 2. 1, 2. Let's spell it. T-W-O. 2. How many balls can you see? I can see 2 balls. How many cars can you see? I can see 2 cars. How many dolls can you see? I can see 2 dolls. How many girls can you see? I can see 2 girls. How many boys can you see? I can see 2 boys. Let's repeat. 2 balls, 2 cars, 2 dolls, 2 girls, and 2 boys. Good, excellent. The number of the week is number 2. 2. Good. Now let's move on. And today we're going to learn a letter. And the letter of the week is letter B. B. The letter is B. Repeat after me. B. Let's see some words with the letter B. A ball. A ball. A bike. A bike. A boy. A boy. Ball. Ball. Bike. Bike. Boy. Boy. So today we have learned a new letter. We know A and B. A and B. Excellent. Let's move on, and our next stop is how is the weather today? How is the weather today? Did you look outside? Is it rainy today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? And today it's sunny. It's sunny today. It's sunny because there is a sun. When there is sun, the weather is sunny. Is it rainy? No, it isn't. Is it windy? Ooh. No, it isn't. Is it snowy? No, it isn't. Is it cloudy? No, it isn't. It's sunny. It's sunny today. The weather is sunny. Excellent. And now, the next and the last stop of today is our song time. It is song time. And today a song is ABC song. Do you remember our ABC song? Let's remember and sing it together. 3, 2, 1, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time you can sing with me. Congratulations! Let's sing it again. Let's sing it a bit quicker. 3, 2, 1, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time you can sing with me. Excellent! Good job, guys! I'm so happy to be with you today. And it's English for Fun. My name is Teacher Alice. Please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!